Welcome all physics tutorial class follower. My name is Waktola. In this video, we will be discussing on grade 12 Ethiopian physics entrance exam solution in 2016 year. Part 1. My channel name is called Waktola Tube, as I am showing in screen, Waktola Tube. And in this channel, there are different videos which is related for grade 12 entrance exam. So especially students who will take a grade 12 entrance exam as Ethiopian new curriculum use this channel, and there is a link. The link is as I'm showing in you on screen, youtube.com/@waktolabalacho st2og, and I'm encourage you use this channel and follow some solved problems directly related with what grade 12 entrance exam. Instruction say that choose the best answer from the given alternative. Question number 1. Lenz's law states that the directions of induced current in a loop is in such way that the current, choice A, is in opposite direction to that of the applied magnetic field, that is cause it, choice B, creates a magnetic field that reinforces the change in magnetic fluxes through the loop. Choice C is in the same direction that of the applied magnetic field that cause it. Choice D creates a magnetic field that opposes the change in the magnetic flux through the loop. Let me repeat one question, this question once. Lenz's law says that the direction of induced current in the loop is in such a way that the current is in opposite direction to that of the applied magnetic field, that is cause it, choice B, creates a magnetic field that reinforces the change in the magnetic flux through the loop, choice C, is the same direction as that of the applied magnetic field that causes it. Choice D, it creates a magnetic field that opposes the change in the magnetic flux through the loop. When we come to what is the equation and what is our solution, let we investigate or analyze the given examples, problems. When we analyze the above question, Lenz's law states that the direction of the induced current in a loop is such that it creates a magnetic field that opposes the change in magnetic flux through the loops. This accordance current in the loop is in such a way that the current in opposite direction to that of the applied magnetic field, magnetic with the principles of conservation of energy. Thus, correct answer is A. Let I show you one about what the Faraday's law. According to the Faraday's law, electromagnetic induction in the Lenz's law, Faraday's law considers how the change in magnetic field can cause current to flow in wires. Lenz's law tells us about the directions of the current. Faraday's law says that the magnitude of the induced electromotive force, or EMF, is directly proportional to the rate of change in the magnetic flux in a closed coil. When we write the equation, E, which means electromotive force, is equals to minus of delta of magnetic flux over delta T, where E is induced voltage and delta phi is change in magnetic flux and delta T is what? Change in time. From this one, in case of closely wound coil of any turns, the change in flux associated with each turn is the same. Therefore, the expressions for the total induced EMF is given by electromotive force, or E is equals to minus N delta phi over delta T. The negative sign involves according to the Lenz's law. From this one, when we generalize the idea, Lenz's law states that the direction of the induced current in a coil such that is opposed in the change that causes the induced EMF. From the given this one, when we come to the solution is what? A says that from the given this one. Once I show you choice A. Choice A says that Lenz's our question says that Lenz's law says that the direction of induced current in the loop in such way the current dash is in the opposite direction to that of the applied magnetic field that it causes. So the correct answer is A. When we come to the next question, question number 2. Question number 2 says that which one of the following statement is correct about the resistance of a conducting wire? The resistance of a wire is, choice A, directly proportional to the square of its length. Choice B, directly proportional to the square of its cross-sectional area. Choice C, inversely proportional to its cross-sectional area. Choice D, inversely proportional to its length. When we come to the solutions of this question, the resistance of a conducting wire is given by the formula R is equal to P times L over A, where P is the resistivity of the material, L is the length of the wire, A is the cross-sectional area of the wire. From this equation, when we generalize the idea about the solutions of this one, the resistance is directly proportional to the length of the wire. The resistance is inversely proportional to cross-sectional area. Thus, the correct answer, the correct statement is C, means that it is inversely proportional to the cross-sectional area. From the given formula, we see that R means resistivity, R is resistance is equals to conductivity, or the resistance of the conduct. R is equals to P times L over A. So the correct answer for this one is what? C. C is that inversely proportional to the cross-sectional area. Means this is what? A is what? Inversely proportional with this R. Next question. When we come to the next question, consider an ideal transformer have NP and NS, meaning NP and NS turns and voltage NP, VP and VS it is primary and secondary coil respectively. Which one of the following is the correct about ideal transformer? Choice A, VP is equal to NP over NS square times VS. Choice B, NS over NP is equal to VS over VP square. Choice C, VQ over VP is equal to NP over NS. Choice D, VS over VP is equal to NS over NP. From the given this one, when we come to about the transformer having number of coil, primary coil and secondary coil, and it is equation, let I show you one about related to this one. Once wait me. Here is what the coil. Look, this is as indicating in this is what set up transformer. This is what step up transformer, and this one is what step down transformer. From the given this one, here is what primary wounding and or primary coil, and this one is what secondary wounding or secondary coil. For this one, there is what primary winding and secondary. Our question is what is the relations? What is the relations of what the number of the coil here in the primary and number of the coil in the secondary for what step up and step down transformer? When we come to the solution, our question, when we go to consider an ideal transformer having NP and number of primary coil and number of secondary coil, and voltage VP in the VS is determined primary and secondary coil respectively. Which one of the following is the correct about ideal transformer? From the given this one, interpreting the question, For an ideal transformer, the relationship between the number of the turn in the primary and secondary coil and the corresponding voltage in the primary and secondary coil circuit is given by the equation Vp over Vs over Vp is equals to Ns over Np. This equation shows that the voltage ratio directly proportional to the turns ratio. The correct answer is so D from the given alternative, which written is what? The equation, the correct answer is D. D means Vs over Vp is equals to Ns over Np. The next question. The next question says that which one of the following statement is correct about the electrical conductivity of the material? Which one of the following statement is correct about electrical conductivity of material? Material in which all the choice A, outermost shell electrons are tightly bonded to its parent atom is conductor. Choice B, outermost shell electrons are free to move within material is semiconductor. Choice C, inner in the outer shell electrons are free to move within the material is a conductor. Choice D, inner and the outermost shell electron are tightly bound to its parent atom is insulator. When we come to the question, our question says that which one of the following statement is correct about the electrical conductivity of material? Means material in which outermost shell electrons are tightly bound to its parent atom is conductivity. Say question number choice A. Choice B say outermost shell electron are free to move within material is semiconductor. When we come to choice C, inner in the outermost shell electron are free to move within the material is semiconductor is conductor. Choice D, inner and outermost shell electron are tightly bound to its parent atom is insulator. From the given this one, before solving or choosing the answer, let me interpret each choice. Choice A says that material which where the outermost shell electron are tightly bonded are insulator, not conductor. Choice B, material where some outermost electron are free to move further than in a conductor are semiconductor. When we come to choice C, choice C is not correct because the only outer or the valence electron are free to move in the conductors, not the in inner electron. When we come to choice D, D says that materials with where both inner and the outermost electrons are tightly bound insulator because no electron are free to move. So the correct answer for this one is D. D says that inner and the outermost shell electron are tightly bound to its parent atom is called insulator. Good. Next question. When we come to the next question, question number 5. Question number 5 says that which of the following statements distinguishes precision from accuracy? Choice A, precision indicates how close measured value is to true value, whereas accuracy refers to the closeness repeatedly measured value to each other. Choice B, accuracy measures how exact value is, whereas precision indicates how close a measured value to its true value. Choice C, precision is a measure of the closeness of repeatedly measured value to each other, whereas accuracy related to the number of significant figure. Choice D says that precision is a measure of the closeness of repeatedly measured value to each other, whereas accuracy related to the numbers of significant figures. As choice C. Choice D, precision is a measure of the closeness of repeatedly measured values to each other, whereas accuracy refers to the closeness of the measured value to the true value. When we come to the solution, the distinction between precision and accuracy is as follows. Precision refers to how closely repeated measurements agree with each other. Accuracy refers to how close a measured value is to the true or accepted value. Thus, the correct statement is D. D says that precision is a measure of closeness of repeatedly measured value to the each other, whereas accuracy refers to the closeness of the measured value to the true value. In general, today we're discussing different questions concerning about grade 12 entrance exam, especially this question which students has taken in the 2016 from the title. This is what grade 12 Ethiopian physics entrance exam solution in 2016. So to get next this video means which is directly similar to this question for grade 12 candidate student is I encourage you use this link and follow your lecture or education. By using this you will get some ideas. Thank you for